Good morning, fifth and seventh periods, or good afternoon, respectively, whenever you have this class. As I told you, I wouldn't be here today. Please follow these directions for class today. You guys are going to go into your active folder, and you're going to finish your Reformation playlist if you haven't done that. Remember, those songs have to have a connection, either in the title, the lyrics, it even could be the beat of the song somehow, to one of the main players of the Reformation. Do your best, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Don't forget to leave a link to a clean version of the song. Okay, so if that takes you all class, that's okay. I'm okay with that. It shouldn't. So what are you going to do after the Reformation playlist? I want you to open up the Counter-Reformation slides. You're going to open them up and you are going to take notes where the green circle is with the white check mark. Take notes on these. Essentially, the Reformation's going on in the Catholic Church is like, oh, we better get it together and come up with some reforms. We're losing too many members. Okay, so I want you guys to take notes. I've got the Cornell notes right there. Take your time doing that. Understanding that if you still have time left over, which you might, because the notes, they probably won't take you too long. I don't think. Maybe a half hour, maybe. I want you to get over here and do some European map practice. We are going to have a European map quiz. It's going to be using this website. Click on Europe and do your best. My suggestion is to go through it once and then take note of the question of the countries that you don't know where they are. Make a note of them and then study a map. A little good old-fashioned studying a map to learn where something is. There's big old Ukraine right there under attack from Russia, France. All right, do your best on this and make sure your notes are complete for today. And we are good, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. A little bit of extra work for you. It's not work, but assignment. I want everybody here to extend an act of kindness to somebody in your life. Maybe it's an act of gratitude. Say thank you to somebody, or just like I said, act of kindness for somebody that's not expecting it. All right. Looking forward to seeing you guys on Wednesday. Take care.